Sorry about that interruption. Here's the second part, the back page. So when we have money, we need to know that quarters are worth 0.25. They're worth 0.25. So you should have 0.25 Q somewhere. Nickels are worth 0.05. So you should have 0.05 N somewhere in your equation. Dimes are worth 0.10, so you should have 0.10 D somewhere in your equation. And pennies are worth 0.01, so you should have 0.01 P somewhere in your equation. So if we look at this first one, number 3, Adam has dimes and quarters in his pocket. There are 28 coins in all, and they are worth $4.60 altogether. How many quarters does he have? So our two, we're going to use dimes and quarters. So we know we have 28 total coins. That is equal to dimes plus quarters. We also know that $4.60, $4.60 equals 0.25 Q plus 0.10 D. So then when we solve, I'm going to use substitution. So this is going to be 28 minus Q equals D, and we're going to plug it in here. So 460 equals 0.25 Q plus 0.10 times 28 minus Q. And it's kind of hard to write some of these to get them to fit. So we get, this is 0.25 Q plus 2.8 minus 0.1 Q is equal to 460. And then I subtract 2.8, and so I get 1.80 is equal to 0.25 Q minus 0.1 Q is 0.15 Q. And when I divide that out, I get 12 quarters. Okay. Next one, Marion and Carlos are each saving for new scooters. So far, Marion has saved $9 and can earn $6 per hour babysitting. Carlos has $3 saved and can earn $9 per hour working in his family's restaurant. How long does it take Carlos to save as much money as Marianne? So our two equations would be, for Marianne, her total is equal to 9 plus 6H for hours. And Carlos is, his total amount is 3 plus 9H, because he makes $9 per hour. So then we can set those two things equal to each other. 9 plus 6H equals 3 plus 9H. And when I subtract, I get 6 over here equals 3H. So it takes 2 hours before they have the same amount. And finally, Melissa's younger brother saves all of his money into a piggy bank that sits on top of his dresser. He only saves nickels and dimes and currently has $1.50. There are 20 total coins in the piggy bank. How many nickels and dimes does he have? So we know 20 equals N plus D, and $1.50 equals 0.05 N plus 0.10 D. So we can use the same type of thing we did before with substitution. So 20 minus n equals d. And we'll substitute that in. So we have 150 equals 0.05 n plus 0.10 times 20 minus n. So 0.05 n plus 2 minus 0.1 n equals $1.50. So when we subtract, we're going to end up with negative 0.50, because $1.50 minus $2 is negative 50 cents, equals negative 0.05 n. And so then when we divide, we get n equals 10. So then d also equals 10. So there you go. Our systems of equations.